friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Junie. So it's been a while since I filmed a vlog last time. There are some updates and changes in my work and I really wanted to share with you guys, but I was just too busy in the past few weeks. So today I want to chit chat with you guys a little bit and share something has been going on in my life. Today is April 9th and I just uploaded my April weekly plan with me. If you haven't watched it yet, I'll leave the link in the description. And honestly, I was so touched by your sweet comments. It's been a few hours after I uploaded and seriously, you guys are the best. I mentioned a little bit at the end of this video talking about some mean comments I've been receiving these days. I mean, just only a couple of them, but you know when people receive tons of good words, but one or two bad words just catch your attention so much. I know I should let it go and it's just normal and I shouldn't let it to affect my mood or anything. But sometimes it's hard and every time when it happens, I just try to think about all the good words you left in my comments and you guys are the one who made my day and helped me to pick up my confidence. So thank you so much. Okay, now I'm going to give you guys an updated version of studio tour because after I uploaded the studio tour video, there's a little bit changes in the room and I thought it could be fun to share with you guys, especially after starting my own sticker business. And I'm actually gonna use it in a little bit because I have an order come in today. Oh, by the way, thank you so much for everyone who visited my store and support my small business. Love you! So besides the cutting machine, I also invest in this cutting board. And here's my logo. Compared to a sliding type, this one could be more accurate. And it's actually not that dangerous, I'll say. And up here, there's some stuff I use to pack the orders. I got 100 envelope and also put my logos on it. And here are some of my shop logos. Domestic stamps and international stamps. I also made thank you card by myself. And here are some wrapping papers. And the stickers, the circular one is out of stock, so I'm going to make more today. Here it used to be my printer, but it just takes so much space, so I moved it under the table, which is not that convenient, but I think it works fine. Oh, and for the table, if you remember, I got a standing table from FlexiSpot, but after I changed this part of the room to be sticker making factory, I don't really need the up and down feature anymore. So I thought it could be great for my husband to have it, and I'm really glad he loves using it right now. He's always the biggest supporter mentally and financially for my YouTube and small business, so I'm really glad that I can get that for him. Oh, there's another update here. You see the desk raiser? It's also from FlexiSpot. The one I had before, the design is just not matching what I want. But for this one, I like how much space I have here. So when I don't use the keyboard, I can lift it up like this. And this part is actually a magnet, so you can use it as a note board. It also comes with this removable part. On this side, I used to store my earphone and keyboard. And on the other side, there are some pens I use the most often. So yeah, that's all the recent updates in my office. And if you're curious about other parts of the room, I'll leave the link of the studio tour video in the corners or in the description so you can check it out. And now let's start today's work. So I just finished packing the order I received today, and I also have another one from yesterday. I'm going to ship them out together, and I hope they can arrive soon. Okay, now it's almost noon, but me and my husband were doing intermittent fasting these days, so I'm not going to have lunch, which gives me more time to work on my stuff. As I mentioned in the weekly setup video, I'm going to take a break next week. By the time this vlog got released, maybe I'm already come back to work. But anyway, next week I'm not going to work on any YouTube video anymore because I just need some time for myself. But in the meanwhile, I still want the shop to run smoothly because I do enjoy packing order process. So I'll still keep doing that in the next week, which means I need to get all the stickers restocked today. So I have a meeting, but before that, let's work on it. So the cutting is still continuing, as you can hear this background noise, but I'm going to prepare to join a meeting, which I'm super excited about. You probably know BUJO, another YouTuber. Her name's Hedda, and she's holding this small Zoom meeting between some of bullet journal YouTube creators. So it's actually the first time I'm meeting them, not in person, but you know, face to face. So I'm super excited about it, and there will be other YouTubers you may also know. So, oh, I can't wait to see them. Oh my god, I'm so excited. It's 5 minutes before the meeting. This is the first time I hang out with friends from BUJO community. I'm just so excited. I think Julia is going to send us a Zoom meeting ID in 4 minutes. I asked them if they want to say hi to you guys, so I'll share a little bit, but the conversation is confidential. There's 3 minutes left. Oh my god, the link's here. Oh, Julia with computer audio. Oh my god, oh my god. Oh! Can you guys hear me? Let's see. Sorry for the wait. Okay, let's see. Hi, and I'll turn off my camera. Oh my god, look at you guys, so cute. This is Hedda. Oh my god. Thanks.
Oh wow, dude, you have like a legit mic and everything.
Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna let my camera go away for now. Okay, we just hung up the Zoom meeting and it was amazing. I chat with some people in BUJO community or other creator or some followers, but I never really get a chance to talk to them face to face. So especially during pandemic, I think this kind of social life is just amazing. If you never watched their video, go check them out. I'll leave their link in the description. And yeah. Okay, so for the rest of today, I think I'm just gonna keep making stickers and then enjoy my Friday movie night. Okay, I was trying to get stock of everything and more than a few sheets per design, but I just found out that I'm running out of paper. So I have 2 pages left just in case I have extra order on something else. I'm waiting for the new sticker paper coming, which is gonna be the next week. For today, I guess I have to wrap it up and put everything away. I wonder if I should call this video studio vlog or vlog. What do you think? Okay, that's it for today. Bye!